Today we are going to be talking about the planets in the solar system. Let's first discuss the definition of a planet. In order for something to be considered a planet, it must do three things. Number 1, it must orbit a star, which is the Sun. Number 2, it must be big enough to have enough gravity to be a round shape. Number 3, it must be big enough that its gravity cleared away any other objects of a similar size near its orbit around the Sun. Now let's talk about each of the 8 planets. The first planet that is closest to the Sun is Mercury. As you can see, Mercury is a grayish-blue color. Mercury is the fastest planet and makes a full rotation around the Sun every 88 Earth days. Mercury is also the smallest planet in our solar system. The next planet is Venus. A fun fact about Venus is that it spins in the opposite direction from most planets. As you can see, Venus is a yellowish-white color. Venus is also the hottest planet in the solar system because the thick atmosphere traps the heat in a greenhouse effect. The third closest planet to the Sun is Earth, where we live. Earth is the only planet we know so far that is home to living things. Earth is also the only planet that has water on its surface. As you can see, Earth is a bluish-greenish-white color. The next planet is Mars. Mars is known as a dusty, cold, and desert world with a very thin atmosphere. A fun fact about Mars is that billions of years ago, Mars was wetter and warmer with a thicker atmosphere. Mars has a goldenish-brown color. The next planet is Jupiter. Jupiter is the largest planet in the solar system. However, it has a red spot on it, which is called the Great Red Spot, which is from a centuries-old storm. The next planet is Saturn. Saturn is known for its rings, which are actually ice. Saturn is a pale yellowish color. The second to last furthest planet is Uranus. Uranus rotates at a 90-degree angle due to the plane of its orbit. Uranus is seen as a bluish-green color. The furthest planet from the Sun is Neptune. Neptune is dark, cold, and whipped by winds. A fun fact about Neptune is that it was the first planet located through mathematical calculations. Neptune is seen as a dark blue color. Let's recap the order of the planets from closest to the Sun to the farthest. It goes Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. These notes were brought to you by NASA Science, Solar System Exploration.